Alright everyone, today we are going to session 3 tasks. So here are the tasks you should need to complete it. Print following pattern, this, that, and number 3, number 4, number 5 is all about loop. We just already learned everything. So now our task is to pin this all, solve the problem. I hope you can do that easily. And there is the tux 3, and I colored this tux from Campus X. Is a most famous YouTube channel for data science and machine learning. You can check it. One of my favorite. If you are from India, then it channel from Hindi, so like Hindi language, so you can easily understand. So I love this channel. You can cam their Campus X, and their tux is so great. So I hope you love that tux and you solve it. So this is a short video, not be long. So next time we talk we'll learn another thing. But today now we are going to end this session and this video. So goodbye, see you later.